Hey there, I'm here at S Narrows getting ready to launch into Dollars Lake, which will bring me into Noganosh Lake Provincial Park. It's a beautiful day today and it looks like we have a beautiful week ahead of us. Alright, so we're at the elbow, which is at the bend where Pickerel River hits Dollars Lake, and we are going in on the north channel, and it is nice and calm in here. The island that creates this north channel is blocking the wind really nice. So we're just going to keep paddling. We've paddled, where are we here? 4 kilometers to get here. So from S Narrows to the elbow, 4.06 kilometers. Hey guys, I'm here at Noganosh Provincial Park. I got into my first site today. I paddled about 17 kilometers in from S Landing, S Narrows, sorry, to just past the Smoky Lake Hunt Camp. When I was paddling by, one of their planes came in behind me and landed, which was pretty cool. But yeah, just maybe 2 or 3 kilometers past the hunt camp. I'm just getting everything ready. I just got some water filtering here, and I got some Happy Yak shrimp curry with rice, which is one of my favorites. So once this water gets filtered, we're going to boil that up. We're going to make some shrimp curry. We're going to have a coffee. I'm going to get my tent set up, and maybe a small fire, or maybe not. We'll see. It's day 2. I'm here on Smoky Lake. We're just leaving the campsite we got to last night, and we are heading into Noganosh Lake tonight. Gonna find a nice site. There's a few islands that look nice, and hopefully the campsites are actually on them. Yeah, so we're gonna get paddling, and yeah, not too much paddling today. We want to get to my site nice and early, and maybe go out and do some fishing today. Looks like a beautiful day again. What a beautiful day. Sun is out. It's supposed to be above 20 today. It's beautiful. Aside from this headwind, it's a great day. Alright, we'll look around and we'll see what we got for campsites. Try to find a nice one. Yeah, I'm here at Last Lake in Noganosh Provincial Park. We are pretty much where Last Lake and Noganosh Lake and Mud Lake all meet up. Gonna have a quick snack, take a break, and then head back up to Smoky Lake. I just made it north of the hunting camp, and the water is really nice and calm, so this should be a nice paddle out to the first portage, and a little meandering through the muck islands and lily pads to the second, which really isn't really much of one. It's just a beaver dam. You can pretty much lower your boat over. That's probably what I'm gonna do when I get there, save some time. So I made it out past the portages and I'm on Kayaking Lake. When I got to the first portage, it started pouring rain and it got pretty wet, and now it's sort of just spitting a little in the air, and I have, I don't know, a few more kilometers to get out to Narrows. I'm making pretty good time. A couple observations I made. There are a lot of beaver. Very healthy beaver population. Lots of lodges. Must have seen over 30 lodges traveling around. Lots of blue herons. I saw a couple of bald eagles. One I was watching soar around for a while I was relaxing. Got out of Narrows. It was pretty rainy today and got a little cold after it got pretty wet, so now I'm in the car warming up. Gonna head somewhere where there is some warm food, maybe get a burger. Well, that was 60 kilometers paddling around Noganosh Provincial Park, and it was pretty awesome.